Check, check, check. There we go. There we go. We're good now. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. We're going to catch a banger and be one and done in an hour. We need it after yesterday's performance. No way we're losing with the retro Broncos jacket on. With the greatest team in the NFL right now, 9-2. Even if we squeak by with a dub, we're still getting the dub. A win's a win. We're just looking for a dub today. We're just looking for a dub. We get our dub, we'll be cool. Nine and 2, baby. Wait, don't matter. A win's a win. Yeah, 9-2, my boy. Hey, you know what? I don't care if the wins are by 30 or 3. We're still getting them. We're still getting them. We got Nody gang. Let's go. Yes, sir, Diz Draco. Broncos aren't doing shit in the playoffs. Cap. Yeah, we'll see about that. Y'all all said the Broncos weren't going to do a single thing this year, and who's on top of the league? I'm just saying. Win's a win. Dub's a dub. I don't make the rules. You know, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool seeing the Colts back on their grind. Live at the HQ this morning. Got some more students showing up soon. Abraham's coming too, right? Nice. Yep, let's go. We are live from the Team Bowl HQ this morning. Live from the TBHQ. Live trading at the office with some Team Bowl warriors. Yeah, thank you for being here, bro. It's gotten some new decorations. Hey, Gene. We have someone that's lost outside. Can you go find them, please? Will you go seek them? Good morning, good morning. We do trade together at the office, yes. Most Fridays. I got the shot, so throw your hands up in the sky. I got the shot, so throw your hands up in the sky. What? Yeah. I don't even know how you turn it off. Is it changed? Oh. What do you always want? I know you do. I know you do. Love it. What's good, everybody? We are live at the Team Bowl HQ, hanging and banging. Banging out some trades, making some moves. Hopefully having a better trading day than yesterday. I did not perform very well yesterday, so we're coming back. Today's personal. We're going to trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, and find ourselves a nice trade. All it takes is one good trade a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. A lot of life's problems. We're ready for it, TBT. All right, it's time to activate some screen share, huh? Time to activate some screen share. Hello. This is. How's it going?
How's it going, guys?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is Val.
Jacob. Gene was out looking for you, so I'll get him. Gene.
I'm sorry.
She found it. Well, yeah, pick your seat. These are all in one computers, so they have internet. Or if you have a laptop, you can choose your seat. Yeah, David. Everyone's talking to you on my Broncos. We gotta get next time, Brandon. I want to get that screen up with the chart on it. Won't that be nice? All right, guys. We got 5 minutes left. How was all of your mornings? How was your mornings?
It was great. I woke up at 6:45.
Okay, right here.
15 more minutes.
Okay, there we go. What do you say, Brando? Think so? Right off the rip? Bro has some courage. All right, we got 3 minutes, y'all. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's make ourselves some money today.
It's CBCI, right? Is that what the Wi-Fi is?
I believe so. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, I texted you. Oh, she found it.
I'm sorry.
What was this song? Team Bowl OKC division.
Gene, what's the password again?
That'd be crazy. Let's get it. Yeah, we got 3 minutes left. I'm not sure where Grizzly Glock is. We will see. Spy is low, 650.
Thanks, Gene.
All right, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Remember to choose discipline over dopamine, DOD, each and every day. Come in, stay focused, and let's get it. All right. 1 minute, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's make ourselves some money. Let's make ourselves some moolah. 1 minute. 5 minutes. 20 seconds still open? Let's go. $20 seconds till open. Game on. All right, y'all. Everyone here, everyone on the line. Let's follow our plan today. Stay focused. Follow our daily routine of DOD. Let's get to the money.
Man, that was too fast. That I told you, keep going. Yeah, come back. Too fast, that was too fast.
Let's see. We have, as far as news goes today, yeah, we have PMI at 9:45 in 15 minutes, and we also have consumer sentiment at 10. $4 cons and 0 DTEs. We got 0 DTEs juiced. That'll happen sometimes when you have this aggressive volatility. Your implied vol goes up and your premium prices are just super expensive. Very, very, very expensive. You guys all set up here in person? Everyone got internet? No one needs any help? All good? Good, good, good. Good, good, good. We gotta keep the win streak. Gotta keep the win streak going at the TBHQ.
Thank you, long guys. Thank you, long. Thank you, long.
How's it going, man? What was your entry, Mr. Greg?
2.7.
You adding your leaps, Brandon? How far out? January. Okay. January. No, there's a lot of benefits to trading leaps. Lots of benefits. Arguably one of the safest ways to catch bigger moves on options. Staying patient, guys. No trades for me for the first 15. First 15, we wait. Let the market settle, let the dust settle. We got news 15 minutes in as well. So, just waiting, trading smart, trading safe, and choosing DOD. We're coming back personally after yesterday's trading day. Personal. Damn, ballin'. Bro's popular. Bro is popular. Dun, 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 dun. These wicks are aggressive. I'm gonna stay patient too, especially after a red day yesterday. I always like to come in and just be a bit more cautious. Just gonna be a bit more cautious. No need to force anything. Trading live at the HQ. Got some traders with us here in person. We will not be trading live next Friday, as it's the day after Thanksgiving. I usually take a 4-day weekend, so I won't be trading next Friday. What? I think so. I don't know. I won't be around for it. I won't be around for it. I wouldn't know. But I believe it does close early. At least the bonds market does. DOD. Cause they're calling. Let me get my mix on. So you added some February leaps, yeah? January? How much size do you put on those? Nice. Will you add down to them if we go lower? You only have a few dollars of risk. You have about $7 of risk on there. So basically, if we flush below like pre-market low. All right, I'm here for it. I think Netflix will head back to 1,000. I'm not sure if that's split. It'd be a very, 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 very long time, probably. Dun, 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 dun. Howdy, how's it going, Tyler? Nice shirt.
Yeah, looking for man turn in. Thanks too long for that, guys. Thanks too long.
Dun, dun. Why do I wait 15 minutes when the first market when the market first opens? Because I like to get a clear direction of where price is heading. And my data says that I trade better when I wait the first 15 minutes.
Alright, look.
Data says I trade much better when I wait the first 15. So that's what I do. What's up, Jen? Good morning. Can we talk about yesterday? Why would we talk about yesterday? Whenever I have a good or a bad day, I always leave that in the past. You know, every day is a new day. Because think about it. You know, let's say you had a great day yesterday and you bring that overconfidence in and you're unstoppable and you caught the entire move down. Well, that usually leads to you getting slaughtered. Also, let's say you blew it yesterday. You traded horribly. Well, if you come in with that emotion attached to your trading, you're likely not going to execute as well. Every day is a new day. You come in. You trade your plan. You execute your plan well, and that's all you can do. You manage your risk and you do your best. Where's low at? Pre-market low is low, 911. Damn. Yep, delete yesterday out of your memory. I mean, you learn from it, but you want to learn from your mistakes, but you don't want to cling on to them. All right, y'all. Let's see what they give us. We have data in 5 minutes. So data in 5 minutes. We will trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. Johnny. Been using DOD strategically and only in simulation before I go back into evals and scale. 5 Ws, 3 Ls. Nice. I recommend that when you can, you go into some real money, and even if it's tiny size, even if you're trading 1 micro. Even if you're trading legit 1 micro, I'd rather you be doing that than paper trading. Because the moment you go from paper trading to real trading, no matter how great you've been trading and how confident you are, that real emotion is going to hit you. I mean, if you're only at 1 micro, it's not to sound disrespectful, but doesn't really matter, you know? Like, there's not a lot of risk. So yes, you can for practicing purposes, but you know, you're making $2 a point up and down, so it's like you can scale it 1-to-1, but it doesn't. You know what I mean? It doesn't really matter. So like it's more so like if you want to practice on holding your bigger winners, then wait for 1.5, right? If you want to just focus on being able to hold the 1-to-1, you're better off selling at that 1-to-1 each time and then building up to maybe 1.5 or 2. But it's not going to break your system either way, whether you wait for 1.5 or 1 per se. Does that make sense? Yep. Yeah, you're welcome. Now a mini, it's a different ballgame. You know, like then I'd say if you're just working on building confidence up, like you can be very profitable at 1-to-1. You just have to have over a 50% win rate. If you can win 51% of your trades, you're profitable at 1-to-1. The issue that people have is that they'll do that. They'll have a 60 or 70% win rate, but then they will have, you know, of the 10 trades they take, they'll have 1 or 2 that they let their stop loss run wild, and that messes up their whole edge. Messes up all their probabilities. Their numbers get skewed. Yeah, so you just can't. You can't. If you have one day that you let your 1R loser go to 2R, it messes everything up. Oh, it wasn't in earlier. Where's Grizzly Bear at? Oh, he didn't raise his hand. That's why I didn't see. Grizzly, if your hand is raised, I can't see. Can't see. So please zoom out your screen if you'd like the full screen share. You can head inside Team Bowl. It is free Friday. Or you can head to my YouTube, Jdun Trades. There's a few seconds of lag. The best place to be is inside Team Bowl, but JDUN Trades. You can go check it out. The best place is actually to be in the office with us in person. There's really no lag here. There's really no lag in person. All right, our 15-minute range is in. Our first set of data has came in. Didn't do anything. Hanging below the 50% midline. I'm at the office today. That's why my background looks different. We're trading live from the Team Bowl headquarters. We got all of our students here trading live with us in person. That's why you can't. That's why maybe my mics might sound a little different today too. Oh, we're in Colorado. Burn that Broncos jacket. Never. We probably will do a Team Bowl slopes day. That'd be cool. Oh, you're skiing, Brandon. You're skiing, my boy. Brandon's gonna go skiing with us. What do I think's gonna happen? I don't think I react. I react. Hey, Gene, you want to come say hi to the stream? Come rip something for me. What's up, Mr. Dean? Anyone think it's trades ever because of DJs right here?
No, thought about it.
I was close.
What up? ¿Qué pasó, compa? Just chilling. I know, I'm on a full Porter's account. What? What up? Not today. There is no Asia session today. Hi, Jen. Nope. Monday. I don't trade Asia Sunday. Today's a good day to size down if you're on your funded one contract. The way it's been moving.
What's up, dog?
What up?
What's Bryce doing? Barcoding?
Yeah.
Barcoding like crazy. Gene, you guys called a nice winner in Asia last night, right? No, they called a really nice winner inside Team Bull. They called a real nice winner. Oh, damn, that's a good reversal candle there. 154. Definitely not a candle like it's short right there, it's for sure. But we're also at the middle line, so it's like we're below the middle line, but we have a strong volume candle. So therefore, I wait. We wait and we stay patient for clear confirmation. Either way. On alpha, I like the advanced. Personally, there's no consistency. I don't really like consistency rules if you can avoid them. Oh, we lost Greg. Greg left. Just realized that. Goodbye, sir. And Grizzlies MIA. It's just you and I, Brando. Just us. Why is that echoing? Oh, 'cause your mic's on. I decided to take Friday off work. See how it is. No, I would have potentially been open to a move down to like that 150 area and then along, but I can't. Even there is just a bit more risk, and I'm certainly not going to long in the middle of this 15-minute range. So we're going to stay patient. Well, I can't let Grizzly in Zoom if he can't find him. Brandon added his spy leap. So what percentage are you gonna go for in those, Brandon? Like when you add spy leaps, what are you risking versus? Just gonna let it pay you. Candle's a little sketchy, the last 5-minute candle. Candle's a bit sketchy for my liking. Closed right at that 15-minute high, too. Yeah, we also closed right. We wicked into and closed right below the pre-market high as well. Maybe we gotta ask Grandma which way the market's heading. Might need to call in a favor. Phone a friend. Oh my gosh. My volume looked a little sketchy, and it's kind of playing out and showing why. I'm not sure why the diagonal line's on. I could probably remove it, but it just hasn't really bothered me. It doesn't have any significant meaning. Did I hear an order fill? I wasn't even watching gold. I always forget about gold. What's up, Greg? I was wondering where you went. Disappeared on us. Trade smart, trading safe, and staying patient. Choosing DOD. This is your daily reminders to stay patient. You do not need to revenge trade. You don't need to overtrade. You don't need to boredom trade. Wait for your A+ setup. Define your risk prior, and choose DOD.
Hey guys, basically, I am 3 green trades, 2 green trades, 1 mega trade, and then in Europe and 2 red trades. So, I'm convinced about this range.
Well,
So if I see some kind of recover of 235 again, since they are playing without not waiting for the news of like 10 a.m. news. So I'm gonna be risking my profits of today, okay? We have a chance. Still green on the day to keep risking to recover this scenario I mentioned before.
still in the middle of this 15-minute range. Just waiting. Trading smart, trading safe, and waiting. Waiting. It's like 3/4 of our job. It's just being able to sit and wait and stay patient. Got no Tesla and Nvidia a little weak too. Nvidia sub 180. Consumer sentiment. Yeah, even at this midline, like, I don't love that last candle's volume. Arguably, if we would have had higher volume, we could have looked for a short up here. But even then, say we got a top tick at 230, you'd have to have risk up to like 280, which is 50 points. A bit high for my liking. So we're showing weakness. We're setting up for a potential short entry. I will let you guys know if and when I take. How's it going, man?
White Tiger.
Welcome. How's it going, bro?
Good. It's good to meet you.
Welcome, man.
I brought some treats here.
Bro brought snacks. Hey.
It's off the business in Utah. So I thought I'd bring some.
Bro brought snacks.
Where do you want them?
Wherever you see fit. Appreciate you, man. Name team bull member came in and brought snacks. That's pretty cool. We got the best community here in person. We got the best community online too, but what's up, bro? I'm looking for shorts, but if you see something you like, I'm not immediately ready to enter, so you take whatever you'd like.
Levels I'm looking is 158 and 235. This is the level that I've been playing these 3 minutes.
I'm looking for shorts though. 235 or 135 is your level you're watching.
No, 235. I'm looking 235 with left behind and 158. But those are the levels I'm looking at. Most likely they will recover. That's what I'm looking. That's what I'm expecting.
His prediction and his system is top notch. Yeah.
We're live and in action, baby. Let's see what we can catch. If we get the strong close on here, I'll look for a move back up for shorts. I'm honestly even willing to, if we get a pretty aggressive close on here to pop up towards that 15-minute low, if we need to trade some micros and go less size but more point risk, I'm open to do that today. When you have more volatility, sometimes you have to add on more point risk, but that means you have to have less size, so your dollar risk doesn't fluctuate too much. Say you have 5 contracts, usually with 30 points of stop. Well, you could technically have 2 to 3 contracts with a 50-point stop, right? There's not a ton difference. You just use less size, and for your risk reward to make sense, you have to make sure that you're shooting for a bigger win. If you have 50 points of risk for 1-to-1, you got to get 50 points of gain. $227. 70 points is a bit aggressive. I'd like to see like a wick up into like 180, 190, and then wick back down, and then try shorts and try to catch that move down to like low. Pre-market low is way low at like 900. That'd be great. That would be wonderful. We'll see how this candle closes. That's not a great candle to short there. That's tough. $190. No positions for me yet, guys. Undecided 5-minute candle. I mean, arguably you could argue shorts up here 190 to 200, but your stops have to be below or above, excuse me, like 229. So I just don't love the setup enough to put the risk on.
They're recovering the levels, so it's likely I'm gonna be taking a position soon.
Don't love it enough to put the risk on right now. Today's OPEX. Maybe some BS price action.
Now we're heading to 235. This is where I'm looking. They recover 158. Now they recover 235.
I'm watching for shorts still. Watching for shorts. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I have no interest in longs whatsoever, only shorts. What a massive wick.
Crazy weekend.
Yeah, massive wick. What am I supposed to do with a 100-point wick? I guess we'd have 100. If it's like yesterday, we'd have 100 points of risk, 100 points of gain.
This price action is crazy.
$225. There's so much risk on these 1-minute candles. This is insane. Whoops.
They recover 235. Now look now.
We're looking for Brando. You got OPEX today too. Just be cautious of that. I'm still looking for shorts. Only watch right now. No interest in longs. What's this price action? And this price action is aggressive. You gotta You got to be quick for sure. What are you looking for, Brando? You want to bounce? Okay. Demand boy. Hope your bounce prints. I have no interest in it. But I hope it nukes for you. For how I trade, it's just really hard to get entries when you have 50, 70, 80 point wicks. You can do it, you just gotta have more risk on the table. NVIDIA looks ready to break down too. You get the NVIDIA break down the NASDAQ. I like shorts, guys. I just can't, in good faith, take them, call them because of these wicks. So I'm just gonna stay patient, and wait for an A+ setup. If we end up having a death day down again with no real pullbacks, I probably just won't participate. If we get a nice pullback where I can have 40, heck, even 50 points of good risk, then sure, I'll try something. But remember, we're day traders, not trade everyday traders. So I choose DOD. I stay very strict with my system. I think we still go down 2. I'm just staying patient. I won't try just to try. $158, 10.
But I'm still in. Still working on it. It almost stopped my end. No, I'm not. I'm still in this.
Come on. This volume is just not cooperating today. Not cooperating. It's gonna do the same bullshit it did yesterday, just down whole time. It's gonna do the same deal. If we get a strong closer, I'm gonna try shorts with the 50. It's gonna be bigger stop, so I'm gonna use less size with like probably a 50-point stop if we get the strong close down here. If we retrace this candle at maybe 50, maybe 60 points, so I'm willing to put on more point risk but less size, just so you guys are aware. Whenever we put on more point risk, you have to have less initial size. So I'd say if you're usually trading 4 contracts, maybe you trade 2. You can't have more point risk and keep your same size. It skews your risk reward. Who's trading? So wiki. Oh, thank you, bro. Is it really going to give us a doji again? Really? Speak louder, Brandon. No, I'm not. I didn't take anything. I literally never once said I was short, ever. You gotta speak up. What do you say? Speak up, my boy. Now it's gonna give us a green candle. Wow.
Looking 158, guys. 158 the core.
Volume play out though on the orb. Jeez Louise, this market. Aggressive green candle up. Rising volume. And then death. Don't even make sense. Don't even make sense.
We told him about yesterday's
OPEX, so we're gonna be a little more patient. But I still like the shorts, especially if we clear this green candle, for sure. Just very aggressive wicks.
I'm gonna stay with my big money. I'm gonna stay green. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Please take care. Play smart and play safe. See you, Jdun. See you, Busy. See you, Brandon. See you, Jdun. Take care, guys. Let's gonna enjoy the green 20 seconds. Let's gonna see tomorrow. We got green money. Yes, we got some red money, but we're still green. I'm gonna stay green. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Brandon just tried longs. Again, Brandon just tried longs. At 66. Brandon wants the longs. Long dong. This is the PA that will smoke you for sure. This is the PA that will smoke you. $100-point wicks are wild. Brandon trimmed his longs. Brandon trimmed his longs. 25 pointos. Brandon trimmed his longs. Brandon trimmed his longs up there. And like, okay, so on this retest down, how are you supposed to go long at 150 when your stop would have to be at 24.030? 100-point stop? No, I'm just talking for how I trade. No, just for how I trade with wicks and candles, it's like... Brandon's just with me in person today at the office. We got Brando trading beside me at the office in person. That's why I called it out for him. What is this price action, bro? What is this? What are these wicks? What up? McDonald's coffee? What a sketch ball. Yeah, there he is. Finally decided to come through. What are we doing here? These wicks are crazy. Be going up or down? It is OPEX. This is just, like, these moves are wild. Where's Grandma when you need her? You might need to ask her. Can you make a trade with $50 on Weeble? I mean, I guess you can, but you should probably focus on... Nope. I thought about shorts a few times, but it's too aggressive of wicks for how I trade. It's unfortunate. I mean, we just have an aggressive 100-point 5-minute candles to the upside and to the downside. Oh yeah, prop firms are feasting today. For anyone who's not trading DOD, prop firms are feasting. Feasting. They're all going to get, all the owners are going to get new cars after everyone is chasing these moves up and down. Yeah, Brandon killed those longs though. Brandon murdered the longs.
No, I'm out. It's just not holding. It's too lucky.
No retest back up. I like shorts. I will not chase this to the downside, especially with these wicks. You can mess around short right here and see a 50-point move up in the next 10 seconds. Or vice versa. You might see a 50-point move down and get paid, but these wicks have just been very aggressive. So like we said, 50-point move up in 10 seconds.
Brandon's buying the sushi today.
Brandon's buying our sushi. So tempted to try shorts. There's just too much risk. For my true system and how I trade, there's way too much risk on this candle. I have a bad feeling this wick up here is going to be our next lower high, and we're going to go test low a day. If it's anything like yesterday, we'll see. Staying ultra patient. These wicks are pretty aggressive, so I'm willing to take something with these aggressive wicks and price action. I need to have my risk defined. Still looking for shorts, everybody. We don't even have any fair value gaps made. There's been so many aggressive wicks. It just is taking out any potential fair value gaps, which is crazy. Didn't 50% retrace this candle. Like, I was even willing to look. If you look at my screen, I had my 50% retracement done of this aggressive candle here, and we didn't even get close to that 50% retracement of that candle. Same BS as yesterday. Literally same deal. But we got no FOMO today. Staying patient. No, I haven't taken a single trade yet. I've had a few that I was watching, but these wicks are too aggressive for how I trade. And I was even willing to put on a bit more risk. Like, say we retrace that candle 50%, and I had 40, 50 points of risk on. I would have been open to that, like I said, and just used a little less size, had more point risk. But there's no world in which I can, in good faith, put on 70, 80 points of risk. And sure, it would have worked out today, but it's not good. It's not good practice to get into long term. I'd rather just watch this die without being a part of it. Not like yesterday, we didn't take any silly trades. I can be content with that. Maybe I need to go back to trading options. I think we might need to retire from futures. Not retire, but like take a futures sabbatical and just go rip options again. Less risk on QQQ and SPY. I need more humble Honda days. Futures are cool. Just days like today frustrate me for sure. Well, not frustrate, but yesterday was frustrating. Yesterday was very frustrating. Today's wicks have just been a little too aggressive. A little too aggressive for my liking. It's also OPEX today too. Yeah, bro. It's same bullshit as yesterday, bro. I'm just not doing it. Not doing it. Told you puts. Well, what did you execute it? Right? Can you? I can tell you longs. I can tell you puts, but if you don't execute, don't mean shit. Don't mean shit. Couldn't even get a 50% retracement of that candle, which is crazy. What's Bitcoin at? Good. Let it go lower. Yeah, I couldn't really short this without like a 100-point risk. That was my issue. That's why I don't really trip about seeing this. Like if I see an A+ setup that I just genuinely miss, then I'll be bummed. But when you have aggressive wicks, no volume confirmation, and you need to put on 70 to 100 points of risk to take a trade, according to your system, then just doesn't make a lot of sense to me. See, what are these pullbacks, bro? Nothing. Just minuscule. It's gonna be the same thing as yesterday, guys. Literally the same exact deal. It's one of those days where if you want to put on more risk, I mean, there's trades, but I don't like to put on 70+ points of risk on a trade. It's just not something I really like to do. It's not good practice to show you guys either. Now watch. We get that little pop up. Now we're gonna go lower. Goodbye. Flush. Hey, appreciate you coming, man. See you, bro. Now we're going low a day. Goodbye with no chance to enter. It's coming. You ready? I hope it doesn't. I hope it gives us a nice pop up, but it's probably gonna do some BS. I'm bringing back the Husker jacket. That's what we need. Man, it's hard, but I wouldn't enter shorts down here. I mean, technically speaking, we might keep dumping. We probably will. We probably will keep moving down. I just won't have a piece of it. Our 50% retracement's up at 110. Let's see here. Still, if we want a deep enough pullback, it's got to be to like, for me, like 24,100. You could arguably say we're gonna touch up here and move down, but who's calling me? Hello? Who are you calling with? Who? Not right now. We're focused. What is this? Crazy. Volume doesn't really tell anything. It could be. The body's aggressive for sure, so shows some buyers have stepped in, but do they sustain? That's a good question.
See a possible trade.
What are you looking for? Shorts?
24,100 area.
That's what I'm watching too.
24,100 to 24,138.
Yeah.
Short. But VWAP is right at 24,138. So 5 minute close above that has been validated.
That's what I'm watching for too. Thinking about trying something a little higher risk here. I'm watching this price action. Maybe trying some shorts with stops above like 95, and then look for re-entry in the hundreds. And if I got stopped out twice, I would just be done for the day. I'll let you guys know if I enter, but that's what I'm watching for right now. It's giving it a double stab to try to catch the continuation down with how crazy this market's been. And if it doesn't work, then just back-to-back red days. That doesn't happen in a minute. I haven't taken a trade yet, but that would be the hypothetical situation if I did try and lost. Still haven't entered. I'll let you guys know if and when I do. I'd like to see the 100+ area retest too. There's a little less risk. We can just keep our try shorts at like 110 to 130 with stops above like 163. That'd be like the 61.8. I'm trying a piece of shorts up here, guys. Little early entry. Little early entry. So far, so good. I'd like to see us move down aggressively. I did try an early entry up there. 90. You guys all heard that? Okay, good. I'd like to see us keep moving down. So far about 20, 30 points, give or take. I did not trim though. I like 90s up to like 110, 120. A little less size because there's more point risk, but I like the area. I really like, if you want a little safer entry, I like 110 to like 130 with stops at like 160. All right, guys, on this, I'm going to go ahead and put my stops at break even, and I'll look for re-entry if I end up getting stopped out at break even. There we go. I'm going to take a contract off here at 40. Or just around 40. All right, guys, I trimmed, everybody. So far from 90, 60 points. 60 points so far from 90. Who's your daddy? Come on. Who's your daddy? Come on. We want low a day. Thank you, bro. We'll take it. Come on. Die. Come on. Stops to break even, everybody. Clear and precise entry. Up there, clear and precise entry. Let's see this go lower. Let's see this go lower. Let's see this go lower. Come on. Die. I want death of the United States of America stock market for today. Just for the next like 10 minutes. Then it can go back to life. Come on. Come on, guys. 70 points from that 90 area ad. 70 points. If we flush 24,000, we're going to be good to go. Come on. We could get it. Come on. Any of you guys in the crowd take that trade? Good, nice. Very good. Let's go. Stops must be at break even. They must be at break even. Out of that trade, guys. Out of that trade. Out of that trade. Hey, we got a really nice move down. Almost 100 points. 80 points. We'll take that. We'll take that, baby, after yesterday. Let's go. We'll take it. We'll take an 80 point move. And now watch it go die. We'll take that, baby. No, not usually. I mean, I'm not going to say never because I have, but gotta have the right criteria. Nice trade. I got 41 points off that. Nice. That was a good trade. That was money bags. That was money bags. That was money bags. Caught that with a few minis. That was great. Didn't get full size, but started would have added, and if I would have gotten an ad, oh my gosh, would have been massive trade. We got 31.55. So made bag yesterday. We'll take it. Made bag yesterday. Well, technically more than yesterday on the live. No fundeds today since we're at the office. Oh, we'll take 80 points. We'll take it. Brandon with 2 winners. Your boy with a winner. All done live at the Team Bowl HQ. Who else is doing that in person? Who else? Nobody else. That's who. Nobody else, baby. Nobody else. Nobody else. And we'll see what they... Let's go. $1,000 off one contract. That's great. A Team Bowl money team. Let's take a roll call. I want to see how we're sitting on a Friday. See how we're sitting on a Friday. If you guys made some money off that, if you guys took that trade, or if you're still in that trade, probably not in that trade. How you guys sitting? Talk to me. How are we sitting for the morning? How we sitting? What are we paying ourselves today? How much y'all make off that trade? 864, 1100, 3800 times 6, 3K, 800, 1400, 750, 950, 2K. You guys make some money?
$31.
$5. 1200.
Let's go. Dub's a dub, baby. Come on. 150. 1200 at the HQ. Let's go. Looks like we want to go lower too. I'm not gonna try it, but
There was always set up a life.
yep. I called it out for us. Back up 16 racks on the week. That's a damn good week. We're happy about it. Let's go. Do we run it back again with the poster gain section? I want to see if my connect will give me any Apex codes. If not, I'll have to give away some cash. Can I get a few Apex?
Oh yeah, because you said he trades. Yeah, because he's been trading Index. He hasn't used it yet. Part of his problem is
All right. 850 on the day. Yup. All right, here's the deal. If y'all post your gains, and you tag me and post your gains, I'm either giving away some Apex codes, or I'll give away 5 50K accounts myself. I'll just pay you back for them. I'll pay for them myself. Ends up being like $37 a piece. Maybe I'll even get you 2 if you're kind. Just go to post your gains tab and tag me. Tag me with hashtag DOD. DOD, baby. I'm going to pick the winners when I get off in like 15, 20 minutes. If you'd like to enter the giveaway for either some codes or for Jdun to buy you an Apex 50K account, go post your gains and tag your boy.
Well, he liked puts in general. He liked puts, and then I think he was looking for a pop-up. So I'm not. Hey, Jdun,
What's up?
can you recap why you went into that trade?
Yeah, easy, because so if you draw your Fibonacci retracement tool from the high of day to low of day, that area was where our 50% retracement was. So I was willing to add in where I did just below that, and then add in again, or add initially where we did, and then add in again up in between that 50% and 61.8. So I was ultimately trying to catch the trend with a little bit more risk on. Because with how this action's been, we haven't gotten perfect entries like I like to get. So I was willing to start it around the 50%, add within it, and then stop if we, worst case scenario, crossed above like 150.
Which was also bouncing off of the exact yesterday's low.
Yep. Yeah, I can come explain it to you in a second too if anyone's confused. I'm happy to do that. I use the Fibonacci. Whenever I'm looking for trend entries, guys, I'm almost always using my Fibonacci retracement tools. Always. Almost always. I'm so glad we could catch a winner. Needed that after I traded like dog doo-doo yesterday. And we're still moving down. I'm not holding this, but Mr. Gene, come say hi to the stream. Three racks on the live today. Pretty dope.
I'm about to take a trade right here live.
Want to take a trade in my live?
Yo.
All right.
420 NQ minis. Should I take a trade on his account, guys? Should I? Should I? Jen's in here. Jen Ketter. ¿Qué pasó, Jen Ketter? Alright, guys.
$3,000 in the day, 80-point winner called live with our students in person. How we do, everyone? How we finish?
$200.
Hey, 200 bucks?
1,200.
1,200 bucks.
1,500.
1,500. How we do?
30 bucks?
30 bucks? Any trades?
No idea.
No trades? White Tiger?
No trades.
No trades? Brandon? 2 for 2. 400. And Gene?
4,500.
4,500. That's what we do live in person. The Team Bull Discipline over dopamine way, baby. All day, every day. That's
Yep.
what we do.
Is. I took shorts in your account.
Did you?
No.
You can.
I don't know how. I don't use this.
You can trade my account.
No, I'm scared.
Have a good one. Appreciate you having me, man.
Thanks for coming, bro.
Should I full board his account, guys? With 30
Damn, we're still moving down.
with 30 minis. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared to trade his account. I'm like super scared. He's already up nice on the day. I don't want to lose mi compas money.
Oh, yeah. So,
Yeah.
Nice.
I used to do 5, like 4 conferences. Yeah.
Nice.
Now I went back to doing micros now, and I mean this is kind of like too risky.
Just 10 girls.
That's where I live.
But I don't know, it doesn't really move.
I don't know
much
there,
if I'm-
so
I'm
it's
just,
15
I'm,
minutes.
I don't know,
Yeah,
I'm
I live
careful
like probably
where I
like 5 minutes from
wide, and I start to,
That's a good area.
so, yeah.
Lots of nature and shit. I live out like in the mountains.
I really do want to do something.
Try.
It's not about the money, like I really just wanna,
Let's see.
yeah, it's the minty. I never did paper trading,
So I have a
like I just started on.
cost.
Yeah, yeah.
paper trading, I got overconfident.
Lo.
Well, that was good.
Damn, it's raining. Why is it not snowing? Como muévelo, lo.
Does he go by CDAPs? Like, is that what you're That's my son's nickname. Like, his other one is Sebs.
Do we take longs or shorts, guys? Longs or shorts? Longs or shorts?
Probably around 4 years now. I was born in Phoenix, never actually lived there.
Jeez, look at that
Raised in Mexico.
move.
Jdun's fluent. No mames.
You guys are stupid.
I'm lefty and run. I'm usually too interact with the chat and a lot.
Yeah, I came across trading because TikTok.
So white tiger.
What is going on?
On Facebook, Facebook also.
His name is Micah. MGM.
I didn't want to shit, so I knew it did.
but
Yeah.
it's pretty
well,
good.
Yeah, it's very good.
And then I started learning from this other guy from Mexico,
Yeah,
from Sonora. He doesn't really have good English.
yeah.
So whenever they would be like they were in their suits and I wanted to, I don't know, I needed to much later, I just wanted to keep watching people trade on NASDAQ. I just keep watching
Right?
TikTok.
Okay. Cool.
I think I
Small
got it.
world. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yep. Was that?
We're both in Colorado.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, so that was, I don't know, it was super green flag for me because I wanted someone.
Green flag.
Yeah, because I wanted.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I wanted
Oh,
to.
yeah.
I don't know. I was sure there were recruiters here, but I never really came across.
We have a decent sized community. We're closing in our
Yeah.
language there and string them all together. Yeah.
So you don't always have space for people.
Not always. Kind of small.
What we doing?
Just chilling.
Yeah, we still live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it was full too. I didn't get back to a lot of DMs in time, so. What's up, everybody? Damn, Jdun made a bag today.
Yep.
Good shit. Oh, full Porter's account.
Most Fridays we do this, we won't be here next Friday. Probably will be here Friday. I don't trade on Friday. I'll do 4 day weekend.
I'm Jdun.
You're Jdun?
I'm Jdun.
Real J-Dun.
I'm up 2 racks on the day. I'm Jdun.
Are you with that account?
I could. I
What do you
might.
think we should take?
I think we should take longs and walk away.
On what?
Everything.
Tola?
100 kids? Yeah. I gotta go work. Yeah, no, it's awesome. So, thanks for coming, man. Out here, Dan? I might be starting actually.
All right, go follow Brandon Trades on Instagram.
Okay.
Bye.
No, don't follow
Bye,
Brandon.
guys.
Peace out.
Alright. Come and sit down, Jacob.
What's the market doing? Still dying?
I lost like $200.
Oh, no.
Bro, traded my account! That's hilarious.
He's like, oh, I'm out of here.
That is wild.
What size did you want? I'm sorry. I'll get back.
Oh, damn, we did move up. Double bottomed a little bit.
10 minis, 7 days, you give back your win for the day. Yeah.
Bro, get back my bread.
Alright, see you guys.
Still up like 3 racks. We're chilling. See you guys.
See ya. How was it? New York. Fire. Yeah, it
Bro, New York was baller.
was sick.
I'm big playboy.
Wall Street Einstein, is he like? He's short.
Yeah.
I made him look. He made me look tall. We made Gene look tall.
But slow grinding, baby. Trade with me. Relax your mind.
Nice to meet you, Jdun.
Come catch a fade. Bring it in. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for coming.
Appreciate
man.
it.
Thank you for the salsa.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's
Yeah.
great.
You're cool if I get a picture with you?
Totally. Let's do it.
You're famous. Just kidding.
Want to have someone else take it? I'll do it.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank you for coming, bro. Enjoy Colorado.
We're here till Sunday, so
Cool.
we're going to Red Rocks today.
Nice.
Hopefully, get come see a show there once.
Yes, sir. See you, bro.
See ya.
And slow trading, baby. Trade with me. Let's take NQ and fade
Are
it
you
with
still
me.
trading?
I am. I'm just hanging out in the live.
Well, I didn't take a trade today, so
You
I'll
did-
see if you're staying.
Yeah, we'll probably leave soon. I mean, you can hang out for probably even like 10, 15 minutes. You're welcome to make yourself comfy.
All right, I'll start with.
Yeah, maybe we'll catch something else, but maybe not. We most people from the office ended up dipping, but we are still chilling. We're vibing. I was singing you guys my song. I said, "Come on, trade with me. Let's pull up NQ and fade it with me. Come and trade with Team Bull and get paid with me. You can watch me trade and you can see me kill the market. You like that? I thought it was pretty good. Thought it was pretty cool. Almost hurled from those vocals. Keep your day job. I shouldn't be singing. Okay, noted. I'm musically talented. What can I say? I don't make the rules. What? Which one? Separado. How you doing? You've been all quiet this morning.
I've been on the go. I have to go hand my keys in right now, and then I'm gonna be back and finish up the city.
You guys will speak Spanish.
Oh yeah?
She's from Mexico.
Oh nice. I'm gonna go hand my keys in right now. And I'll out.
Nice. You're out. You're done. You're done with it. Is he? He's going to find a Miami mommy. I think they are. I don't know if they're still prime. Are those the ones we had? Well, I've gotten a few, so I don't know if those like they lose their potency after a while. When you open it up, just be careful, like smell it right away.
Yeah, they lost their poses.
Yeah, you can tell. Yep.
Shit. That first one, man.
Oh, that one was just smack. That one smacked, huh?
Give me a headache.
All right, I'm picking the giveaway winner soon
For what?
for Apex 50K evals.
How many?
5. So I'm giving away. They're $37 a piece.
What's going on over here, Abraham?
All right. All right. I'm giving away 5 Apex evals. As a reminder, you can use code Jdun for 80% off and a $40 PA fee. So if you pass the account that I give you, it'll only be $40 to activate it if you pass, which is crazy. Crazy cheap. Crazy, crazy cheap. So I was wrong. It's not $68 all in funding. It's like $77. $77 all in funding. Funding cost. J done equals pay done. Oh, you know what? That needs an account. Winner 1 automatically. Pay done. That's my new name. Pay done. Pram Trades is winner number 1. Pay done. All right, let's slide up. Let's see who was creative today. We're gonna pick and choose. Oh yeah, the Milkman NGA. Thank you for the trade. Took it with you, DOD. Yup. Winner number 2. Winner number 2 is the Milkman NGA. The Milkman up. All right, let's see here. Thanks for your patience on the entry. D-Port. You know what? D-Port's got to get the account too. Winner 3. All right, let's see. We got 3 winners picked. 3 winners picked. When we make money, we always give back to Team Bull. Always. Always, always, always. Let's see. We got 2 more to pick. Got 2 more to pick. Maxed out my daily loss limit, but I chose DOD. $130 loss. You know what? That deserves a dub too. Small losses is a win too. That deserves an account. You kept your risk. You openly said you lost money, but you kept it small. That's a dub. That's a dub for sure. Some of y'all might not see it as a dub, but I do. I see it as a big old dub. Pay done. That's what they're calling me, baby. My name is not Gay Dun. Don't call me that ever again. Gay Dun. What's wrong with you guys? That is wild. Well, half the stream says I'm pay done. The other half says I'm gay done. So, something. Y'all crack me up, bro. Gay done, get you pay done. Slay done. Slay done. Slay the market done. I mean, I guess so. All right. Got one more dub. Banger short. I was taking a similar trade. You're pretty good at shorts for being so tall. Oh, that's creative. Winner number 5, Tiger Wood. That's got to get a dub. Say something, pay some. Say something, pay some. Slay done with the rainbow is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, I did good. 3 racks on the live today, so that's solid. Ending 16K on the week. Great week. I gave some back yesterday. I was red yesterday. I lost both trades that I took live yesterday. We ended up having a winning day today. So small losses and big wins, baby. With how many points you made today, you'd be mistaken for a basketball player. That's good. That's good. And given that I'm 6'7", I think that plays a part too. I get mistaken for a basketball player quite a bit. How fast can you pass your Apex eval? You can pass it in a day. You could pass it today. The 50K is $37 and activation fee is $40. So it's like $77 all in. I thought it was $68 for some reason. It's $77 all in. Like your total cost of funding is $77. You can use code Jdun for payout protection. If anything ever gets messed up or held back in your payout, I can go to management and fight for you. Just got to use code Jdun. The deal ends Monday, so yep, you use code Jdun and you'll get it. You can buy up to 20 accounts, though I don't recommend that for if you're a beginner. Just keeping it real with you. Just keeping it a buck with you, fam. Always gonna keep it a buck with you. Passed eval yesterday. That's great. Let's go. Yep, I'll get to your guys' DMs in a sec. Giveaway winners. Today was a good day. All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and mob out for the morning. Go hit the gym. We had a nice day trading live in person with our Team Bull Familia. Again, the only squad in the world that is doing that, bringing traders in person, trading online still, and building true community and family. So trade smart, trade safe, and I appreciate you guys being a part of Team Bull. I appreciate you guys rocking with me, and I'll see you guys on Monday, all right? I won't be live for Power Hour, so I'll see you guys on Monday. And then we'll continue Asia trading as well with Team Bull on Monday as well. All right, y'all. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe. Glad we could catch a win after yesterday's loss, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Choose discipline over dopamine this weekend. Do something positive for yourself. And please, for the love of God, do not throw away your discipline and your routine just because it's the weekend. You're better than that. Your bloodline's counting on you. You have so much more at stake and so much more potential than the life you've been living and throwing what you've been working for away on the weekends. So take that, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace, everybody. Bye.